Feel the difference. Ay. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? This one is the what number is this? 11. Day 11 of our Christmas unboxing. And this one is from Walmart. So this one is Sebastian's, I think. And then yeah, so in this video we are going to do the 12 days of Christmas unboxing. If you're interested on that, check this out. Give us a like, comment below, and then sharing is caring. So share that to your friends and stuff like that, of the things that we can do and the things that we are unboxing right now. Anyway, so so this one is from Walmart. We'll open it right now. Let's just rip it all off. So this one is it's the Gillette the Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar. So this one is really nice because there's the razor and then there's a stand. So yeah, so we'll see how it looks like. Because the one that we use at home is kind of like the one for just a regular one that you can throw away and stuff like that. But this one is nice because this one is, it has, I think it has like 3 or so 3 razor, one razor stand, 2 cartridges. So that's what it says here. So feel the difference. Well, that's broken already. Thank you, my assistant. I have my assistant from behind. That's my brother. So there you go. So that I'm ready to shave and stuff like that. So it's really cool and nice. I don't know what the circle it is for, but hopefully I didn't break it. And then on here, you will see the, oh, this is the stand. Oh, cool. Is it rechargeable or no? What is the stand for? So you have a stand. There you go. Ta-da! Cute, huh? Or should it be like this? Oh, nice. So now, and then there's the cartridges inside. There's like 2, I think. Yeah, so there you go. So yeah, this is just a simple everyday thing that you have. And then it's not too fancy. It's just a razor blade type of thing with exfoliating bar. Exfoliating bar, what's that supposed to mean? Anyway, it says here that it has 2D flex disc. Oh, okay, so that's the 2D flex disc. I don't know what's that one for. 5 blades, and then it does have 5 blades in there. Metal handle, and then the magnetic stand. Cool. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is just a simple unboxing for our 11th day of Christmas unboxing for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb channel. We love you all. We'll see you again in the next video. Tomorrow is our last day, and it's going to be a really nice one for us to have. And then it's kind of like it's an orange box. So that's just an FYI for you. Any guesses, comment below. Let me know what you think about it. We love you all. We'll see you again. Bye.